kitchen. I'm Chef Aileen and this is Little Chef Ian.
Hi guys, I'm Little Chef Ian.
And today we're going to be making cornbread. We're using
For those of you that are new, make sure to subscribe,
give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding.
We hope we bring
Our world into your kitchen. Okay guys, so now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean, and have your adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is...
It's to wear giant glasses with a mustache. Yeah!
That's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is...
Sift the first gas.
So now,
Let's
get cooking! Okay guys, so now these are the ingredients. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of lard, 2 eggs, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of yellow bell pepper, and then we're gonna need 1 can of creamed corn. And then we're gonna need, cheese. You can use any type of cheese. We're using
soft cheddar, it's 1 pound. Corn, we're gonna need, you could use jiffy.
But it's 16 ounces.
Yeah, 16 ounces.
Which is 2 boxes of Jiffy or 1 bag of the Marie Callender's.
Yes. So now let's get to it.
So now we're gonna make our
Sofrito.
sofrito. So we're gonna put our lard. So now we're gonna let milk. So we're gonna test our log to see if it's hot. Okay, so our log is ready. We're gonna put everything.
I think Ian is gonna need a little bit of help. Okay, Ian, pour the bell pepper. Hold your pot. Nice teamwork.
So we're gonna make our sofrito for 5 minutes and we're gonna put a pinch of salt. Only a pinch because our cheese already has salt in it. Okay, so our onions look translucent. So now we're gonna get it out, put it in our pot, and we'll show you the next step.
So now we're gonna start putting our ingredients in our sofrito. And remember, it's hot. So first we're gonna put our corn.
And make sure your mom puts the sofrito in your bowl
For you.
Now we're gonna put our cream. Our egg.
Good job, Ian.
Thank you.
So now we're gonna put our cornbread mix. You have to pour it slowly and make sure that you mix everything, or else it's not gonna work. Please stop pouring. I'm just gonna switch jobs.
Go slowly, 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 Ian.
So now we're gonna pour our cornbread mix into our our baking sheet. You have to make sure your mom or your dad puts the baking spray on it so the bread doesn't get stuck to it. Stick. Okay guys, so now for the most amazing part, the cheese.
If you don't put cheese on it, wow, you really gotta try it. It's amazing.
Yes, so now let's just put cheese. So we're gonna bake it at 375 degrees in the oven
For
40 to 45 minutes. And we'll see you when it's done.
Bye-bye.
Okay guys, it's done! It looks so good, so cheesy, amazing. And now,
And we put some parsley on the top.
just for decoration.
Mmm.
Is that
It is so.
The texture is so soft.
So moisty. And then on the edges, it's so
Crispy.
cheese.
How is the flavor?
So good. Like
Amazing.
the mix of the cheese and the cornbread is so good.
And then the cheese and the oregano and the corn.
It's parsley.
And the parsley is just so good.
Perfect.
So we hope all of you enjoy it with your family.
Yep. So now, bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding. I hope you put a smile on your face. Bye.
Buenísimo.